Hello guys, my name is Chris. On this video, I'll be teaching you how to buy cryptocurrency on the KuCoin Exchange. For you to buy cryptocurrency easily, you need a KuCoin account. I'll drop a link in the description of this video. Follow the link and sign up on KuCoin. Once you've successfully signed up on KuCoin, verify and ensure that you do your KYC using your identity documents. After doing that, you can go ahead to your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store and install the app. Once you install the app and you sign in, this is the particular interface that you will get to. So for you to buy KuCoin on this particular app, all you need to do is to click on trades at the footer section. Once you click on trades, you need to select the currency pair that you want to buy. So in my own case, I will select this currency pair and search for HTR. Let's say we are buying HTR, then I click on HTR USDT. So for me to buy instantly, all I need to do is to change it from limits to market. So those are the types of 4 orders: limit, market, stop limit, and stop market. So if you want to buy instantly, just put it or set it to market. So once I set it to market, all I need to do is to impute the amount of HCR that I want to buy with USDT. So in my case, I'll put 50. Now take note of something. Available USDT here is saying 0. So if I go ahead and buy, it won't execute because I have 0 USDT. So you would need to fund your account. For you to fund your account, all you need to do is to go to assets at the footer section. So once you go to assets, you would see deposits. So once you deposit, all you need to do is click on USDT. So once you have USDT, you can either choose ERC20, TRC20, KCC, or Algorand. So if I want to transfer USDT to this account, all I need to do is to click on TRC20 because this is the particular network that charges less fee. So all I need to do is to copy this address and send to someone who wants to sell USDT, or I can go to another exchange to buy. Another way of depositing USDT is to deposit through fiat currency. So for your fiat currency, let's choose USD. I click on USD and I can buy this particular, I can buy using my card. So once I buy using my card, note that there will be a 1.8% fee associated with this. So once you buy using your card, you would have USD. Then all you need to do is to convert your USD and convert it to USDT. So once you have bought your USD using your bank card, how do you convert? All you need to do is to click on trades. When you click on trade, you see spot, margin, fiat, and trading bots. All you need to do is to click on fiat. So once you click on fiat, all you need to do is to convert your USD to USDT token. And once you do that, you impute the amount of USD. Let's say you bought 200 USD. It's going to calculate how much USDT. Then you click on buy. So once you click on buy, it will automatically be sent to your main wallet. Now, if you don't want to deposit through that way, you can deposit using P2P. So all you need to do is to come here and look for a seller of USDT. So all you need to do is to click on buy. You need to pay USD, yes. Once you click on that, you input the amount you want to buy, and in USDT quantity, then you go ahead to click on buy now. But you need to be very careful when using this peer-to-peer, because it has been associated with a lot of fraudulent people. So another way to deposit is through third party. You can buy using this particular third party via your MasterCard or Visa card. Then you can use Simplex or Banxa as a means. So guys, that is how to deposit on your KuCoin wallet. Now let us go back to assets. So once you are on assets, you can see there is the main account, the trading account, the margin account, and the futures account. Then we have the Pool X account. Once you've bought your USDT, you will be directed to the main account. So all you need to do right now is to transfer your USDT from your main account to your trading account. So what you need to do is to click on transfer right here. Then you can see the list of available tokens that you have. So I'll click on USDT right now. So you can see I'm transferring from my main wallet to my trading wallet. And the same goes if you want to transfer from your trading wallet to your main wallet. So all I need to do is click on all, because I'm transferring all my USDT. Then I click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, you can see I don't have any money left in my main wallet. But if I go to my trading wallet, I have the same amount of USDT that I transferred. So all I need to do now is to go back to the trades, and instead of choosing fiat or margin, I'll click on spot. So once I click on spot, I would select the currency pair. Like I said, I used HTR. Let us use CRO for this particular one. Then I click on CRO/USDT because I have USDT. So I click on it. I ensure that I click on buy. If I want to use sell, I click on sell. You can see sell goes red, buy goes green. So I click on the type of order. I click on markets. Then I select markets. Naturally, it will be on limit, but select markets. So once I select market, I confirm. Then I impute the amount of USDT I want to buy. Amount of CRO that I want to buy with USDT. So let me impute 50. So once I impute 50, you can see the fee is 0.05 USDT. So all I need to do is to go ahead to click on buy CRO. So the next thing to do right now is to impute my trading password. So I'm going to impute that, and I'm going to click on done. So once I click on done, you can see you have placed the order successfully. Now if I want to check if the asset is on this particular account, I go to assets. So once I go to assets, you can see I have 69 USDT left, and I have $50 worth of CRO right here. So guys, that is how to buy. Now if you want to sell, it is still the same. All you need to do is to select the currency pair. Once you select the currency pair, then you come to here and click on sell. So once you click on sell, select market. Once you select market, you impute the amount you want to buy. The amount you want to sell, the amount you want to sell. So once you input the amount you want to sell, then you click on sell. So when I wanted to execute the trade that I made the whole time, it asked for password. And I had to input my password. And I will suggest and advise that once you create your account, you go ahead to ensure that you set up your two-factor authentication and you set up a password that will enable only you to process your trade successfully. So guys, that is the end of this video. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. And if you have anyone that is interested in learning how to buy and sell on KuCoin Exchange easily, you can share this video to them. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.